this is Rochelle, and welcome back. This is video number 4 of a 5-video series. In this video, I talk about co-creating with the universe, the quantum field, and timelines. People who know their soul's journey and path, this meditation is important to your spiritual advancement and personal growth, your transformation. For people who have tuned into this channel and are just seeing this information for the very first time, it is also very helpful to learn more information about an awakening or a soul journey. You can look to the top right and find the video Unlocking the Secrets of the Aquarius Age with the Dolores Cannon teachings, Awakening in the 6 stages of awakening. What is the quantum field? And does this quantum field really exist? The information that I found as of 2023, this is still speculation, as calculating the 0-point energy of space is beyond the present capabilities of physics. But nevertheless, quantum fields must be considered real, as they carry energy and have both calculable and measurable effects on light and matter within the universe, and down to the smallest core, the smallest atom of our body. We are light and energy. So believing in your attention is so important. If your desired outcome is abundant spiritual growth, sacred knowledge, knowing your soul's journey or path with or without a purpose, you can still do this guided meditation. It is still the same universal energy laws, such as the law of attraction, that we are tapping into. We are always creating and manifesting something we intend to or something we don't intend to. And learning how to co-create with the universe the right way is essential, especially when the cosmic energy is at its strongest point. This knowledge that I have just given you, can you now believe that you create your own reality? Are you in agreement with me after all? We are all connected to everything and everybody through the law of divine oneness, another element of the algorithm of successful desired outcomes. Getting on the right frequency and sending and receiving the right energetic frequency flow that will align with the exact same energy flow in the universe, or your desired outcome, your dreams, your goals, your desires, your intentions. So now this brings us to the idea of timelines. So what are they and why does it matter? You've heard of dimensional timelines. This refers to timelines that show you events or progressions in multiple dimensions or aspects. So your intended outcome could be on a different timeline or even another dimension. But what you intend for your life is out there in the quantum field. Oh, this is another word, quantum field. So much knowledge that our soul already knows, but is just remembering, is just recalling. So what does your heart desire versus what your soul desires? Overall abundance, metaphysical growth, sacred knowledge, with a purpose to a journey or a life path. But your ego, on the other hand, which is your personality, your identity, your authority, validations of emotions, may desire something different, like money comes to mind. Everybody wants more money. Everybody wants to win the lottery or get a large inheritance, anything to do with monetary gain. We call this abundance. When you are creating and setting your intentions, what are you thinking about? What is in your present vibrational frequency that you are sending out like a signal or a beacon, beaming out to the universe, looking for its match, the exact same frequency to be sent back to you? If you are thinking about money, then how much can you answer the questions and what I call the 5 W's? The 5 W's of who, what, when, why, where are the questions to ask to be more specific. Your intention needs to be clear down to the smallest detail in order for you to be able to visualize and create the image and turn it into a moving picture.